Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best deals on toolboxes in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Dewalt Tool Box Tough System. First on our list is one of the top-rated and best-reviewed toolboxes. Dewalt is a renowned company in the industry, and the Dewalt Tool Box DWST-08204 Extra Large Tough System is from a series of carrying cases from the House of Dewalt. The company has a wide range of carrying and storage products, from storage to portability. Highly robust built foam-based box with a very large interior storage space and superior durability. The vertical internal storage is great for placing hand tools. It has a removable tray for hand tools and other miscellaneous objects. Number 2. Our second best pick is Keter 241008 Masterloader Resin Rolling Toolbox. Keter is a popular brand that has been developing a wide range of resin-based furniture, organizational and storage solutions for over 70 years, with a special focus on functionality and aesthetics. The toolbox has 6 removable bins in 2 different sizes that allows you to store and organize things based on their size. There is a divider at the bottom that offers deep storage where you can keep larger tools such as power drill, hammer, and flashlight. Number 3. Our third best pick is GEARWRENCH 20-inch 3-drawer steel toolbox. The next product on our list comes from a reliable brand called GEARWRENCH. Their 83151 model toolbox has made it to our list because of its quality construction and portability. This toolbox is suitable for professionals and DIYers. Comes with 3 drawers, which provides ample space to store a wide range of tools. It comes with a center keyed lock for added security. As the toolbox is coated with wipes, it is easy to clean. This coating also prevents corrosion and rust. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Beyond by BLACK+DECKER Tool Box. Beyond by BLACK+DECKER is a sub-brand of products, which have a complete set of home improvement tools for your DIY works. With easy-to-use features, the brand's products allow you to maintain your home, yard, and garden effortlessly. This toolbox is a versatile one that allows you to store a wide range of items, including small parts and bigger tools. There are removable trays so that you don't have to carry extra load when not needed. It comes as a bundle with 2 separate boxes, 19 inches and 12 inches, that allow you to carry tools of different sizes. There are 2 removable components on the top of the lid that can be used to carry smaller tools and screws. And the larger tools can be kept in the lockable compartment. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is STANLEY STST194101 One-Latch Toolbox. The next one in our list is from STANLEY, a 19 inches large plastic-built toolbox. It comes with black handles and a latch that makes it easy to carry and store your utilities easily. Designed with a robust structure with large interior storage space and superior durability. With its extra-wide soft grip handle, you can easily lift and carry it around to your workplace. It has a removable tray that provides enough space for larger tools to be stored underneath. Sized at 19 inches length, by 9 inches height and 10.25 inches width. Organizers on top lid for small part storage and convenience to use. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.